welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha Mitra Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So, do you have a piece of wasted cardboard like this at home? I'm sure you do. But wait. Don't just throw it away. Just think what amazing things you can do out of this wasted cardboard. So as you've already seen on the thumbnail, today in this video I have created 3 very simple bookmarks. Because I've said this earlier, my husband is a pure bookworm and he requires a lot of bookmarks. I have already made 5 or 6 bookmarks for him using Shilpakar molded clay, and that video is already there on my channel. So if you haven't watched that video yet, then don't worry, I'll share the link in the description box. If you want, you can go and check that video. I'm sure you're going to like that video as well. But in this video, I thought of making bookmarks out of this ordinary wasted piece of cardboard, and since those bookmarks are made of molded clay, they are a little heavy, and so I thought of doing something a lot simpler this time. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to share with you guys in this video. And trust me, if you try, even you can create these bookmarks. They are going to be so simple. So I hope you're going to like this video. If you do, then you know what to do. Just hit the like button and share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. Just let me know whether you have tried something like this or whether you liked this video or not. Just let me know about it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video on this channel, you can get the notification of that new video at the very earliest. So now let us begin making this 3 very simple bookmarks. So let's begin. So this is the piece of wasted cardboard, and first, using a pair of scissors, I'm just going to cut it into half, and then I'm just going to trim the edges properly so that it kind of becomes even. And then I'm just going to cut it according to the size that I need. Now you can cut it according to your required shape, anything you want, but I just wanted to keep it simple, so I'm going to leave it rectangle. And now I have the pieces, and first I'm using black color for doing the first one, the first bookmark. And as you can see, I'm just going to fill the base with black, and once this side gets dried up, I'm going to start with the other side. Otherwise it is going to look incomplete, so that is something I don't want. So I'm going to paint both the sides. If you want, you can paint one side, that is your choice. So now I'm using white color for doing the painting, and I'm just going to keep it very simple. So I'm just going to do some flowers here, and I'm painting the flowers on a random basis. So I'm just doing whatever I'm feeling, and I'm sure it is going to look very nice once it is complete. But if you want, you can use other colors too. I wanted to keep it black and white. If you want, you can do it colorful. You can use different colors, or maybe you can use some other color, whatever you wish you can do. But I wanted to do it black and white, so yeah, I'm doing it with white color. And now in Bengali, I'm writing Tomai Vidmajare Ragbo, which means in English that I'm going to keep you safe in my heart, and since this is for my husband. So yeah, the first bookmark is now complete. Now for the second one, I'm using magenta color, and I'm just going to repeat the same step again. I'm going to color the base first with magenta color, and for doing the base color, I'm using a round brush number 12. Now I'm using light green color here for painting some grass, because for this one also I'm going to keep it floral, but I'm going to do it some other pattern. The first one that I did, that was abstract. Here I'm just going to do some grass first, and then I'm just going to use lemon yellow color, and I'm just going to do some flowers, and I think it's going to look very, very beautiful. And for doing this, I'm using my nail paint brush, and I'm using flesh tint color for doing the flowers. Now all these are going to be very abstract, so you don't have to be too perfect while painting. You can just simply do it. You don't need to focus too much on the detailings. I mean, if you want, you can do it, but I did not do it. I wanted to keep it very casual because these are bookmarks and I just wanted them to look good. So I wasn't focusing too much on the detailings. I just wanted to make them look good. So I used orange color for doing some detailings on the flower. And yeah, one thing I would say is always apply 2-3 coats of paint to get that smooth finish. Otherwise you might get some patches left here and there, and it might not look good. And don't worry, since you're doing this on cardboard, so your paint is going to get dry really fast, so you can finish off with your painting very fast. It is not going to take too much time. So yeah, now I'm using black color for doing some detailings. I'm just going to apply the black color really nicely so that it turns this painting into a bright one. And I'm doing the same for the stems and now for the grass. And once again, for doing all this, I'm using my nail paint brush. You can see that. Yeah, here my second bookmark is also ready. Now if you don't have a nail paint brush, don't worry, you can use your 0 size round brush as well. And now for the third one, I am going to do a Jamini Roy painting here. And now the ones who are familiar with Jamini Roy form of art, you would know that Jamini Roy form of art is absolutely an abstract form of art, so you don't have to be perfect at all. So you can just easily do it. If you see this video carefully, you can also try out similar paintings. You don't need to be too good in painting for doing Jamini Roy art. And yeah, here I am going to do it multicolor. So at least the bird I'm going to do multicolor. So I'm using all the bright colors here, and so I'm using all the bright colors here: blue, orange, green, white, red, everything I'm going to use, because I'm going to make it look super bright. Because Jamini Roy form of painting is colorful, and if you see Jamini Roy paintings, you will see they're very colorful. They're mostly multicolored. So I think that's the beauty of a Jamini Roy painting. Now here, as you can see that I have not painted the base yet. That is because for this particular painting, I thought that if I did the base color first, it was going to be a little difficult for me to paint the bird later on. It might not be so easy to paint because of the base color already applied. So I just wanted to complete the bird first, and then I wanted to do the base color. So now, since my bird is complete, I am using brown color here for doing the base color, and for that, once again, I'm using a round brush number 12. Now another reason why I'm applying all the dark colors here for all the 3 bookmarks is that since these are bookmarks, they are going to be used like so much. So it might get dirty if I apply all the light colors. So it might look good at first, but later on when it turns dirty, it's just not going to look nice. So that is another reason why I am using all the dark colors, so that it somewhat stays intact. And yeah, after you finish your painting, just remember to apply a nice thick coat of varnish, because that is going to keep your paint intact for
quite some time, and it is also going to give your paint that extra shine that you are going to absolutely love. And now I'm just going to finish it up with some detailings here and there, just to make it look like even more nice. So I'm just going to do some simple detailings, and yeah, I think the bookmarks are looking very beautiful. And now the third one is also done. Now yeah, here's the final product, and I am loving these bookmarks, and I am sure my husband is going to love the bookmarks as well. And yeah, as I said earlier, just remember to apply a nice thick coat of varnish on your paint. After you finish your painting, just leave it like as it is for 12 hours at least, and then apply the varnish. That is my suggestion. If you want, you can apply it earlier also, but I think that is going to give you a better result.
So guys, that was it. That was the video, and as I said in the beginning of the video, today's video was going to be very simple. I wanted to make very simple bookmarks for my husband so that he could easily use those bookmarks anytime, anywhere, and there was not going to be any risk of getting broken or something. So I wanted to keep it very simple, and I also wanted you guys to get ideas about making simple bookmarks by seeing this video. So yeah, I hope you have found this video helpful, and definitely give it a try. I'm sure you are going to enjoy making it, and if you are a bookworm as well, I'm sure you love bookmarks, so definitely give it a try. And yeah, I hope you have liked this video. If you did, then hit the like button and let me know what you felt about it, or if you need any kind of help regarding this video or any other videos on my channel, then feel free to ask them to me in my comment section. I would love to help you guys. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it, because when you subscribe my channel, I just love it, and trust me, it encourages me so much. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and press the all option, so that whenever I upload any new video on my channel, you can get the notification of that new video at the very earliest. And I upload weekly contents here on my channel, so you're going to get new videos every week. So yeah, now I will be seeing you very soon with another new video. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.